Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter Change of Heart. Introduction. This story revolves around Prabhat, a boy who holds a big fear of losing and his strong desire to win in all situations. As the story goes on, we are introduced to Surya, an excellent badminton player who approaches games with a carefree attitude. Let's discover how these two very different characters interact with each other and how one of them influences the other to be better. Detailed summary. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Prabhat who had a strong desire to win in everything he did. Winning made him feel good, and he couldn't stand the thought of losing. Even in small games like marbles. Losing was like a nightmare to him. He felt so good when he won that he never wanted to give up that feeling. On the contrary, losing made him feel terrible. He thought that losing was the worst thing that could happen to anyone. If Prabhat thought he might lose a game, he simply wouldn't play. He only participated when he was certain of winning, especially in games like badminton, where he excelled. One day, a new student named Surya joined Prabhat's school. Surya was a really good badminton player, and this caught Prabhat's attention. Prabhat kept a close watch on Surya for some days. He was great at some things and terrible at others, but what was common was the enjoyment. Surya enjoyed everything equally. The school had a tradition of holding friendly matches every last Friday of the month during the games period. When the teams were chosen, it was no surprise that Prabhat and Surya were paired against each other. Prabhat prepared diligently for the match, while Surya appeared carefree and relaxed, not taking the game seriously. However, on the day of the match, Surya's skills shone brightly. He effortlessly won point after point, all the while laughing and joking around. In a surprising turn of events, Prabhat managed to cheat and win the match by making changes to the scoreboard while Surya was distracted. Despite his victory, Prabhat didn't feel the usual joy of winning that night. Strangely, Surya seemed unbothered by his loss. The next day, to Prabhat's surprise, he saw Surya playing basketball, a game he wasn't good at. Surya struggled to score but had a smile on his face throughout, enjoying the game regardless of his performance. This observation led Prabhat to realize that the true spirit of a game lies in enjoying it for what it is, not just in winning or losing. He understood that the pleasure comes from the experience itself, not the outcome. As days passed, Prabhat started changing. He had even begun playing hide and seek and felt sad whenever it was about to end. He also started joking while playing badminton. Prabhat learned that the real joy of a game comes from trying your best and enjoying every moment, irrespective of the outcome. He realized that to enjoy a game, you did not need a scoreboard to keep a tally of your scores or worry about winning or losing. What matters is that we try to do our best and enjoy the most out of it. Theme. The chapter is about the joy of playing and learning that winning is not the most important thing. It shows how enjoying the game and having fun is more valuable than worrying about winning or losing. The story also teaches us about friendship, honesty, and having a good attitude while playing. Message. Winning is not everything. What truly matters is enjoying the game and doing your best every moment. Cheating to win does not bring real happiness. The story teaches us that playing with a happy heart is more important than always winning. Games are meant to be fun, and the real joy comes from trying, learning, and enjoying. Difficult words. Phenomenon, an unusual or remarkable person or thing. Observed, noticed, or seen. Sporting spirit, the attitude of fair competition. Appreciate, to recognize the value of something. Obsession, an unhealthy fixation. Sportsmanship, conduct expected of participants in sports. Participant, someone who takes part in an event. Carefree, free from worries. Unfazed, not disturbed by something. Appreciation, recognition of the good qualities of something. Thank you.